interested in getting education in Canada as international student, then you have multiple options as well. But you have to consider a fact, as an international student, you cannot apply for DDS program or DMD programs. But there is an exception. You can apply for DDS program in University of Manitoba. Yes, University of Manitoba is the only university in Canada which offers DDS program to international dentists. Apart from that, they don't offer this program to any international students. They offer DDS programs to only Canadian permanent residents and Canadian citizens. Now, various programs you can apply for as international dentist. It can be categorized under programs which are directly related to dentistry, programs which are indirectly related to dentistry. Now, directly related includes dental hygienist program, dental administrator program, dental assistant level 1, level 2 programs, and the master's program. Now, MSc in clinical subjects, they are offered in MSc for prosthodontics, MSc for periodontics, MSc for pediatric dentistry, MSc for endodontics, MSc for orthodontics. These programs are offered by University of British Columbia, University of Manitoba, MSc in research offered by University of McGill. Apart from that, there are other various universities also which offer these master's program. Now, these are the programs which are directly related to dentistry. Now, if you are interested in doing health administration or health management programs, these master's programs are also offered to international students. There are of non-accredited dental programs. They have to go through NDEB equivalency and certification process in order to practice dentistry in Canada. First, I'll talk about BDS people. Now, NDEB is acronym for National Dental Examining Board. It conducts examination which you have to appear. They are called as a NDEB equivalency process. It consists of 3 examinations. First is AFK, which is an assessment of fundamental knowledge, followed by ACJ, assessment of clinical judgment, and ACS, which is assessment of clinical skills. So these 3 exams, they make NDEB equivalency process. So international dentists of non-accredited dental programs, they have to go through NDEB equivalency process. Once they finish their NDEB equivalency process by passing all these 3 exams, they have to appear for NDEB certification process. Now, Canadian graduates who have completed their DDS and DMD from Canadian universities, they also have to go through this NDEB certification process. Now, NDEB certification process consists of OSCE and written examination. So once you pass your NDEB certification process, you are eligible to register yourself as a licensed dentist in any of the 10 provinces and 3 territories of Canada. Now, there is something called as a dental regulatory authorities, which are designated in each provinces. They govern, they regulate the dental profession in each province. Like for example, Royal College of Dental Surgeons of Ontario is the dental regulatory authority for the province of Ontario. In case you have to register yourself as a registered dentist in the province of Ontario, you have to give additional 2 examinations, which are dental jurisprudence exam and IELTS exam, in order to register with Royal College of Dental Surgeons of Ontario. Once you do that, you can practice dentistry anywhere in Ontario. This is for BDS people. Now, for MDS people. MDS people have 2 options. Either they can go with the BDS flow, in which you have to first clear NDEB equivalency process, followed by NDEB certification process, and get their license to practice dentistry in Canada. Or the second route, if they want to register themselves as a specialist, dental specialist, in which they have done their MDS. Now, in order to do that, you have to appear for an exam called as a DESCI. DESCI stands for Dental Specialty Core Knowledge Examination. If you pass that examination, then you can appear for dental specialty and assistant program in 3 to 4 different dental universities, in universities which offer dental programs. So if you get selected, you have to do dental specialty and assessment training program for 1 year. Once you finish that program, you can register yourself as a specialist dentist by giving National Dental Specialty Examination. So then you will be registered as a specialist.